Xspa stock. Number 1. It was founded in 2003 in New York. It has over 700 employees and 57 stores in the States. Above 20 of them are in airports. It offers wellness like manicure, pedicure, hair care, etc. So let's have a quick look at the Xspa stock performance real quick. So as of yesterday, the 21st of July 2020, the stock price it is at about $3.10. 1 week ago it was $2.88. 1 month ago it was at about $5. And half year ago it was like $192. 1 year ago it was $313. Right now it's $3. So let's me calculate real quick. Let's do the math. $3 divided by 313. Yeah, so you would lose like 99% of the investment. The market capitalization is at about $175 million. So it is considered a microcap. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming investing videos. Besides, I also offer an online course investing for beginners. Check it out in the video description below. After watching this video, the first 100 buyers get also a discount. So let's have a quick look at the Xspa stock annual report real quick. So this annual report has 231 pages, so it took me a while to find the information I'm looking for. So just hit the like button so that I know that you like it. So the loss, okay. Last year in 2019, they had a loss of about $21 million. 2 years ago, they had a loss of about $37 million. Let's have a quick look at their earnings report real quick. So in the first quarter 2020, which means the first 3 months of this year, January, February and March, they had a loss of about $11 million. Check out the investing playlist in the video description below. Besides, check out the online course, also in the video description below. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming investing videos. Invest at your own risk. Happy investing and see you next time.